How to draw an isometric plant. First, setting your canvas. The size x50 by x50 pixel and DPI 300. Turn on the drawing guide. And then edit the drawing guide to isometric. We will use gel pen brush. Setting the brush size to 5% and then start to draw a pot. So I draw an oval and duplicate it and drag one of them down, and then I will connect it with the line. Then it will look like a pot. Remove the line inside it like that. And then merge all the layer. Then starting to draw a plant. Draw branches. And then draw the leaves. Yeah, it's done.